Everybody has heard the media accuse President Trump of creating a moral equivalency between neo-Nazis, white supremacists, and their counter-protesters after remarks he made during a press conference in 2017 following a tragic protest in Charlottesville. But did that really happen? Or is it just a glaring example of media spin? Here's the line that the media has cited for years.
But you also had people that were very fine people on both sides.
It certainly sounds bad when that's all you know about the president's remarks. But the press conference transcript tells a completely different story. The media never reports that the president immediately clarified his statement.
And I'm not talking about the neo-Nazis and the white nationalists, because they should be condemned totally. But you had many people in that group other than neo-Nazis and white nationalists.
But here's the real question. Why did he need to clarify at all? President Trump said several times prior to the oft-reported statement that he condemned neo-Nazis, white supremacists, as well as the violent alt-left protesters. When he said that there were good people on both sides, he clearly meant those who were for the removal of the statue and those who were against it, not those like the neo-Nazis and alt-left who came to commit violence. It was actually the reporters who forced the narrative on the president's words. The proof of this is that the reporters asked the president if he was putting alt-left and white supremacists on a moral plane before he made the now infamous statement. Fake news is a real phenomenon. You can't trust the mainstream media.